Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In the previous lesson, we have learned how to log into a specific directory using SSH. But what if I just want to execute a command on a remote host without logging to the remote host? Let us see how can we do it. Type the following command, type the command SSH mtorc at 192.168.8.54. Then do a quotation mark or a two quotations mark and type touch space /temp /19 joule.txt. Then close the two quotations. By this command, I will create a file named 19joule.txt on the remote host, which is 192.168.8.54, without logging to the remote host. Also, please notice that this file, which is 19joule.txt, will be created under the temp directory, which in the remote host. Now let's press enter. Now type the password for user mtorc and press enter. As you see, the command executed successfully, but I still on the SSH1 machine. So this command didn't log me into the remote host, which is 192.168.8.54. Okay, let's check if the file 19joule.txt created on the remote host or not. I will bring the remote host terminal to the recording area and I will go to the temp directory by running the command cd/temp, then enter. Now I will list the files under the temp directory by running the command ls and press enter. As you see, the file 19joule.txt has created successfully on the remote machine, which is SSH2. And by that we have seen how to execute a command on a remote host without logging to the remote host. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.